This quick installation guide will show you how to shelf mount your 2.3. Before proceeding, make sure you remove your 2.3 from the cage. If you haven't done so yet, watch the cage removal and installation guide video we have made. Tools you will need: a measuring tape, a level, a stud finder, a step drill bit, a power drill with a drill bit, and a Phillips head screwdriver or a drill bit screwdriver extension for your power drill. You may already have an installed wall shelf, but if you don't, follow these basic steps. Note that when installing a wall shelf, refer to the instruction manual that came with the shelf. This is just a basic guideline. Step 1. If you have drywall, use a stud finder to locate the studs. This ensures secure mounting of the active 2.3. You can go ahead and start measuring 2 points that are 16 inches apart from each other. Step 2. Install both shelf brackets by screwing them onto the marks. Make sure to level them so that they are properly aligned. Step 3. Install the shelf and secure it with the lock nuts that is included. Step 4. Follow this measurement to create holes to secure the 2.3 to the shelf. Use a step drill to drill the holes. This step is optional but highly recommended to keep the active 2.3 stable. Step 5. Mount the 2.3 and use the mounting bolts to secure it onto the shelf. Hand tighten first, then use a number 13 socket wrench to securely tighten it to the shelf. You've successfully shelf mounted your active 2.3. If you have any questions, comment down below or contact customer support for further assistance. Support at activeproducts.com.